Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 1, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, you can pull down the notification panel, where you have the toggle for stamina mode. You can simply tap on it to turn it on, and you can see now it's turned on. And you can also hold this to go into the settings, where you have a little bit more options. So also, a thing that I found interesting is we have the stamina mode, which is what it's set to, right? It's the toggle that we have enabled, and in here you have the stamina level, which I believe both of them have the same effects, but as you can see, background data is restricted, location screen is off, it's turned off, video image enhancing is disabled, ambient display is also disabled, and the battery time preferred has the same options. Then you have smart stamina notification. So this is an interesting add-on. It basically scans how you use your device during the day and when you're charging it normally, and based on what it will gather in terms of information over the time, it will let you know if you're about to run out of the battery based on your usage before you will get to charge it. So if, for instance, you charge it when you're going to bed every single day and you're ramming the phone hard to the point that it's gonna die during the day, it will notify you that your usage right now will extend, or well, not last till that night time when you're gonna normally charge your device. So by default that is actually enabled. Then you also have the turn off when fully charged. So when you turn on the stamina mode by simply tapping right there, it will then automatically also turn off once the battery is above 90%. So you can enable or disable that if you want to, if you wanted to turn on and off. You also have an option for schedule one, so you can set a schedule or based on percentage. So if your device is, for instance, below 65%, it will automatically turn on. This is probably a better one, I would say. You can just set a percentage and forget it. You don't need to set a schedule really. And that's about it. So apart from that, like I said, you can simply turn it on from here. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.